Thank you for joining my very first tutorial. I hope you like and subscribe and come back because I have some wonderful things planned.
If you want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the good in me.
Hi, welcome to my channel, Estelle-Creative-Designs. I'm going to do something really simple today because I just want to test out the camera, the lighting, and make sure that everything looks good when I upload it. So the only thing that I'm going to do today is I bought these chargers at 99 cents only store here in Vegas. I've been wanting these chargers forever, except I didn't want to pay $6 to $9 for mine, which is what Z Gallery and Efavor Mart online charges. Z Gallery has glass ones. I like to have a nice home, but at a bargain price. So this is what I paid for mine. $1.99. And so because I wanted to look more fancy, I'm just embellishing it with some loose rhinestones. This is the rhinestone wrap. This is the loose rhinestones. And I just put them in this jar with some silver glitter. Let's go ahead and get started here. And we're just going to take our Mod Podge. And this is the gloss that I'm using. And I'm just going to work in sections. I've done crafts all my life. I absolutely love them. I kind of got away from them for a while because I was doing balloons. I'm a balloon artist also. Been doing balloons for 25 years. I do have a channel, Balloon Class Decorating, where now I teach balloon decorating. I'll put the link in the video so you can check out that channel also. Because most of the time, when people are creative, they can usually do several different creative things. Okay. The first time that I ordered this, it's called Clear Wedding Table Scatter, and I received it. I was so excited because I had already been using the diamond wrap, and I realized this was the diamond wrap just loose, and it is so beautiful. I think it's going to give my chargers a pop, just that extra pop that I need. I'm a bargain person when it comes to my house. I like beautiful things, but I like to get them at a bargain. So for my table set up with this, I'm going to be using clear plates from Dollar Tree. And then I found some more plates at Home Goods that has a little pattern in it, and they're clear also. And I am going to take a paint pen and go around the rim of it in silver metallic. Then I ordered some bows, square bows from Bed Bath & Beyond. I'll come back to show you how it turned out with the complete place setting. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. And here's the charger, fully dry. I think it looks beautiful. And I got a glass plate from Dollar Tree. I got a saucer from Home Goods. They came 4 in a pack, so I had to get 2 packs, and they were $7.99. And the bowls were the most expensive. I got these from Bed Bath & Beyond. I had to order them. I saw some square bowls at Walmart, fell in love with them, but I didn't buy them. And now they don't have them in stock anymore, or they discontinued them. So, you know, I'm beating myself up that I had to go through Bed Bath & Beyond and find some, and they're smaller than what I would like, but they'll get the job done. And I just took my paint pen and went around the edges of the bowl, and I'm going to go around it again once it dries. And then I also took the paint pen and just went around the edges of the plate. These are these little things that you do, you know, just to give your own special touches to it. You're just going to run your paint pen right on the edges there. Right around the edge. This is how we're going to put this together. We're going to take our plate, put it down on there, take our saucer, put it on there, and put our bowl. I've never been traditional. I've always liked to have my own style and my own taste. So for me, having a glass clear saucer and a glass clear bowl that's round, that's too traditional for me. So that's why I went with a pattern plate and a square bowl person. I've always liked to have my own twist and my own style on things. And that's going to be a beautiful place setting when I get the table that I'm actually going to make, and the placemat that I'm actually going to make. The placemat is going to be clear also, and it's going to have the same stuff going right around the edge. So stay tuned for that.